Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Hyundai Ioniq 5N review at Goodwood Festival of Speed with 650 PS. The new Hyundai Ioniq 5N is the first all-electric and the first all-wheel drive Hyundai N model, and it packs some serious performance punch. The first electric Hyundai N model to come to market is a C-SUV. Say hello to the Hyundai Ioniq 5N. The Ioniq 5N uses a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup to produce 650 PS and 770 Nm of torque. That is 65 PS and 30 Nm more than its sister vehicle, the Kia EV6 GT. The Ioniq 5N with the N-Green Boss mode enabled will blast you from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.4 seconds and go up to a top speed of 260 km/h or 163 mph. The vehicle holds a 84 kWh battery and can be charged at speed of up to 350 kW and can be charged at speed of up to 350 kW from 10 to 80% in 18 minutes. Range has not been announced yet, but a range of at least 320 km or 200 miles is likely. The vehicle is 80 mm longer and 50 mm wider than the standard Ioniq 5. It is also a little lower to the ground. The Hyundai N team put a lot of attention into expanding the bandwidth of the damper system because of the increased mass of the car. The vehicle is expected to weigh at least 2 tons. The brakes have been significantly enhanced so it can handle greater force on the track. The transmission simulates an ADCT used by the i30N, Elantra N, Veloster N, and Kona N with a fake engine sound. Inside houses new bucket seat, a bespoke steering wheel with the Hyundai N badge, a 12.3-inch digital cockpit, a 12.3-inch infotainment display, and over-the-air updates. While pricing is yet to be announced, you can be sure that the Hyundai Ioniq 5N will cost quite a bit. For context, its sister vehicle, the Kia EV6 GT, is priced from £62,645. So, you can use your imagination to conjure up estimate pricing for the Hyundai Ioniq 5N.